Let's find the leaders in this array.
Now you tell me which elements are called leaders in an array. The element which is greater than all the elements from that element. For example, 2 is the leader. Why? After 2 we do not have any elements. So by default the last element will be the leader. Then what about 5? After 5 we only have 2 that is also smaller than 5. So 5 is a leader. Then 3 is not a leader because we have the maximum element 5. Then what about 4? 4 is not a leader because we have the maximum element 5. Then what about 17? 17 is a leader because all the elements after 17 are smaller than 17. Then 16. 16 is not a leader because we have the maximum element 17. So what is the output? 17 is a leader, 5 is a leader, and 2 is a leader. Now, how you are going to approach this? First, declare a maximum variable to store the first leader. Then what is the first leader? The last element will be the first leader. Array dot length minus 1. Now the max contains, what the max contains? 2. First leader will be the 2. Now I am declaring the list and integer, and the name of the list is list new array list. Okay. Now add the first leader to a list. How you are going to add? List dot add maximum. Okay. Now list contains only 2. Okay. Now to add the remaining leaders, we need to iterate through an array. For int I is equals to, where we need to start? From the last. We already added 2. So we need to start from 5 to 16. For that, we need to start from array dot length minus 2 until I greater than or equals to 0. And every time we need to decrement the position by 1. If array of I greater than the max, then update the max. Max is equals to array of I. Then add the maximum to the list. So list dot add max. Okay. Now it checks array of I greater than max. What is the array of I? 5. 5 is greater than max. 5 is greater than max. Yes. So the max will be 5. Okay. Now the list contains, initially the list has only 2. Now the list contains 5. Now it will go to the 3 and checks whether array of I, that is 3, greater than 5. No. So the max remains the same, and so on. It goes and adds the leaders in an array. Okay. Now what you need to do? Now you should print this. Then how you are going to print this? For int I is equals to, from where you should start? The array contains in this order 17, 5 and 2, but the list contains 2, 5, 17. So which is in reverse order? For that we need to start from the last value. So list dot size minus 1 and I greater than or equals to 0. I decrement by 1 every time. Now print this list dot get of I. Okay. See, now we got the leaders in array has 17, 5 and 2. Okay. I hope you understood the code. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.